A fresh wave of good news is hitting the UK, and it's about time. Eligible households are set to benefit from an early cash injection this week, thanks to the updated child benefit payments from HMRC. This isn't just another routine payment, it's a lifeline for thousands of families, arriving just in time to ease the strain of month-end expenses. Let's get right into the details you need to know about this timely financial boost. If you're a parent or guardian raising children under 16, or under 20 if they're still in approved education or training, child benefit is a crucial financial support mechanism for you. This monthly payment is not just about providing cash to help manage the costs of raising kids, it also offers long-term benefits by giving you national insurance credits that contribute to your state pension. For many families, this adds an essential layer of security for both the present and the future. Child benefit is available to one claimant per child. Only one parent or guardian can receive the payment for each child. But here's the kicker, there's no limit to the number of children you can claim for. Whether you have one child or several, you can claim for each one, although be aware that an overall benefit cap may apply based on your circumstances. With the new tax year kicking off in April, child benefit rates have increased. Families across the UK will notice a bump in the monthly payments they receive. Specifically, the new weekly rate for the eldest or only child has been raised to £26.50. That translates to over £1,350 a year. For each additional child, the payment is now £17.25 weekly, or about £897 annually. So, what does this mean for your household? If you have 2 children, you're looking at an annual payment of £2,251.60. For those with 3 children, the total jumps to £3,148. And since there's no cap on how many children you can claim for, aside from the benefit cap, larger families stand to gain significantly, making a real difference in managing expenses like food, clothing, and bills. But it gets even better. Some families may see their payments arrive earlier this month due to the upcoming bank holiday at the end of May. Typically, child benefit payments are made every 4 weeks, landing on either a Monday or Tuesday. However, when a bank holiday falls on the scheduled payment day, HMRC adjusts the date to ensure families aren't left in a lurch. This month, with the bank holiday on Monday, May 26th, payments due that day will instead be deposited on Friday, May 23rd, 3 days earlier. This change is a welcome relief for families who depend on this money to stay afloat. HMRC recently confirmed this adjustment, explaining how their payment schedule shifts around public holidays. They also provided reminders for recipients to keep an eye on their payment schedule. You can calculate when you next receive child benefit by counting 4 weeks from your last payment. Just remember not to count forward if your payment was due on a bank holiday. The dates vary. So what does this translate into monthly? Under the new rates, parents of one child will receive £142 every 4 weeks. Each additional child will net you an extra £69 a month. While these amounts may not seem life-altering individually, for countless households, they add up to provide essential stability. Whether it's going toward groceries, school supplies, or childcare, this support is vital for millions across the UK. It's important to note that while child benefit payments are generally straightforward, there are rules to keep in mind. If you or your partner earn over £50,000 a year, you might face the high-income child benefit charge, which means you'll have to repay some or all of the benefit through your self-assessment tax return. If this applies to you, factor that into your financial planning. With the cost of living rising, impacting everything from energy bills to grocery prices, this early child benefit payment is more than just a convenience, it's a chance to alleviate some of the financial pressure. For families facing tough times, every pound counts. These increases might seem minor on their own, but together they can help bridge the gap created by soaring costs. And if you're new to claiming child benefit, applying is a breeze. You can do it online at the HMRC website or by postal mail using a CH2 form. Just remember, claims can only be backdated for up to 3 months, so the sooner you apply, the better. Once your claim is approved, you'll start receiving regular payments and begin accumulating those valuable national insurance credits. Lastly, keep HMRC updated if your circumstances change, such as if your child leaves education or if your income spikes. It's your duty to inform HMRC to avoid overpayments and potential repayment issues. In summary, child benefit rates are up, and many will see their payments hit their accounts early on May 23rd, thanks to the bank holiday. If you're a parent or guardian relying on this support, check your bank account and stay on top of future payment dates, especially around holidays. Early payments can provide a much-needed cushion as you navigate the end-of-month expenses. Don't keep this information to yourself, share it with anyone who might benefit. Stay informed, and make sure you're managing your finances as effectively as possible.